What's good, YouTube? It's Anthony Lyons back at it again with another video. This is part 3, the last of the 3-part series of the El Camino. Make sure you go back and check parts 1 and 2 and enjoy the series of the El Camino. It's really nice out here at Kitsap Lake, and we are going to get a beauty panel placed all the way from the left to the right and cover up all this goodness, but then have it breathe. Subwoofers will still be able to breathe out. I'm gonna have a grill. Got a logo going in. We're gonna capture this curvature, these edges. Just sit back, check out how I make this thing pretty, just like the El Camino it is. So stay tuned. Let's go. All right, y'all. This is how far I got so far. Got a little nice trim ring that was molded into the panel. I have a bolt, which you can see from the pictures. There's a bolt back up in here. Oh, right there. And there's on the left and right side, so they'll build you a seam that goes down the side right here on the left and right. I'll have some clips or even magnets. I think I might try to do the magnets in there. And then we'll get a side panel on here. And then we'll wrap it in black vinyl. And then I have a surprise at the end for the center. But so far, so good. Got some sanding to do. So stay with me. This is the last part, the finale of the El Camino. Let's go. And like that, we're all done. El Camino's all finished. Remember again, this has 2 10-inch subwoofers in the back, 2 amplifiers, one for the subs, one for the highs and mids. We got mids in the door, and we have tweeters tucked away in the dash. New radio. Just got to get everything vacuumed, seat back in, but everything is good. Sounds good. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Anyone with El Camino out there, hit me up. AL Designs, Bremerton, Washington. You can redo your door panels. In the future, I think we're going to redo the door panels, redo everything in here. Get it all custom, dash included. So, on to the next video. Stay tuned.